Welcome to your favorite channel, Price Point. Today, we are going to talk about the world's greatest investor, Warren Buffett. Have you ever wondered how a kid from Omaha became one of the richest investors in the world? This is the story of Warren Buffett, the man known as the Oracle of Omaha. Warren Buffett was born in 1930 during the Great Depression in Omaha, Nebraska. Even as a child, he was obsessed with money, numbers, and business. By the age of 11, he bought his first stock. By 13, he was already running small businesses, delivering newspapers, selling gum, and even filing a tax return. While other kids were thinking about toys and games, Buffett was thinking about how to make money work for him. After studying under legendary investor Benjamin Graham at Columbia University, Buffett learned a powerful idea: buy good businesses for less than they're worth, and hold them for the long term. That became the foundation of his investing style. He started focusing on companies with strong fundamentals, solid management, and a durable competitive advantage, what he later called an economic moat. In 1956, he started Buffett Partnership Limited, managing capital for a small group of investors. Over time, his returns grew fast, and his reputation spread. By the late 1960s, he had already achieved extraordinary success. But he also chose to stay grounded, living in the same modest home in Omaha he bought years earlier. Then came his biggest move, Berkshire Hathaway. What started as a struggling textile company slowly transformed into a giant holding company. Through Berkshire, Buffett invested in companies like Coca-Cola, American Express, and Apple. He didn't chase trends or hype. He focused on businesses he could understand, valued them conservatively, and bought with a long-term mindset. His strategy was simple, but not easy. Don't chase hype. Understand what you own, and let time do the heavy lifting. Over decades, Berkshire's value multiplied, and Buffett became one of the most respected voices in global finance. He wrote annual letters to shareholders, sharing his philosophy, mistakes, and lessons in plain, honest language. What makes Buffett different isn't just that he made money, it's how he did it. He lived modestly, avoided unnecessary risk, and stayed disciplined for decades. He also became one of the world's greatest philanthropists, pledging most of his wealth to charity through initiatives like the Giving Pledge. He proved that massive wealth can be built quietly, ethically, and with long-term integrity. Warren Buffett's story proves that you don't need to be flashy to win. You need patience, discipline, and the wisdom to stay invested in what truly matters. Whether you're just starting with investing or have been in the markets for years, Buffett's lessons still hold. Read, learn, stay rational, and let compounding work for you. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you enjoyed this story, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to Price Point for more deep dives into markets, investing legends, and the strategies that shape the financial world.